Hello everyone, I am Manish Sunwar from Everbrisk and today let's look at the top 10 mobile brands of the world 2020. As we know that smartphones have become a high priority for our lives in less than 2 decades and its craze and obsession are increasing day after day. Without a mobile phone, we start feeling imperfect. That is why the business of smartphone maker companies are growing at a rate of knots day by day. Gartner Inclusive, officially known as Gartner, which is a global research and advisory firm providing technology related insight, forecasts that smartphone brands around the world have sold 221 million units in 2020 and more than double in 2021 to 489 million units. So, let's have a closer look at the world's top 10 smartphone brands of 2020. Number 1, Samsung. Out of all other smartphone brands in the world, Samsung has managed to prevail in the list of top selling phones in Europe. Samsung Electronics is a South Korean company and it's a very reliable brand. Samsung smartphones built with a perfect combination of cost efficiency, performance and accuracy. The latest technology and features of this brand make it the most demanding and trusted brand in the world. Popular Samsung mobile phone and smartphone models are Samsung Galaxy S20, Samsung Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10e, Galaxy S11, Galaxy Note 9, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, Galaxy S9 Plus, Galaxy S9, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy Fold, Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, Galaxy M3 1, Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung Galaxy M21, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, Samsung Galaxy A71 5G, Galaxy A90 and Samsung Galaxy M40. Currently, the company holds first ranking in the top best mobile phone brands with annual sales of more than 219.5 million. Second one is Huawei. Huawei has overtaken as the world's second largest smartphone brand. It's a Chinese multinational company. It's a leading global provider of information and communication technology, infrastructure, and smartphone devices. Currently, over 80% of the world's top 50 telecom companies work with Huawei. Popular Huawei mobile phone and smartphone models are Huawei P30 Pro, Huawei Mate X, Huawei Mate 20 Pro, Huawei P20 Pro, Huawei P20, Huawei Mate 20, Huawei Mate 20X, Huawei Mate 10 Pro and Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Huawei P Smart Pro. Market research firm Counterpoint. Currently, the company holds second ranking in the top 10 mobile phone brands in the world, as this brand has surpassed Apple according to the new report from market research firm Counterpoint. In December 2019, Huawei reported that its annual revenue had risen to $121.72 billion. Until now, this company records revenue of $122 billion. The third one is Apple iPhone. Apple Inclusive is an American multinational company that designs, develops and sells consumer electronics, computer software and online services. It was the first company to launch the world's first smartphone brand by the name of iPhone, using its operating system named iOS. Best Apple iPhone models are iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Apple iPhone 12, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone SE. At present, the company holds third ranking in the top 10 best mobile phone brands in the world. In the fourth quarter of its 2019 fiscal year, Apple generated $33.36 billion in revenue from the sales of iPhones. The fourth one is Xiaomi Mi. Xiaomi is a Chinese multinational company. It makes and invests in smartphones, mobile apps, laptops, bags, trimmers, earphones, shoes, Mi televisions, fitness brands, and many other products. Its logo Mi stands for mobile internet. It also has different meanings including Mission Impossible because Xiaomi faced many challenges that had seemed impossible to depth in the early days. Popular Xiaomi mobile phone and smartphone models are Xiaomi Mi 9, Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro, Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro, Xiaomi Pocophone F1, Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 8, Xiaomi Mi Mix 25, Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, Xiaomi Mi 8 2, Xiaomi Mi 8 2 Lite, and Xiaomi Mi Note 3. Currently, the company holds 4th ranking in the top 10 mobile brands in the world. Xiaomi racks up a net profit of 3.4 billion yuan, that is $494 million in Q3 of 2019. The fifth one is Oppo. Guangdong Oppo Mobile Telecommunications Corporation Limited, commonly refers to as Oppo, is a Chinese consumer electronics and mobile communications company known for its smartphones, Blu-ray players, and other electronic devices. Oppo was the top smartphone brand in China in 2016. Popular Oppo mobile phones and smartphones models are Oppo A31, Oppo F15, Oppo A5, Oppo A9, Oppo Reno 2, Oppo F7, Oppo F5, Oppo F3, Oppo A71, Oppo F5 Youth, Oppo A3, Oppo F9 Pro, Oppo F11 Pro, and Oppo F9. Currently, the company holds 5th ranking in the top 10 mobile brands in the world. Oppo and Vivo are sister brands owned by the very same parent company, Guangdong. Oppo is a subsidiary and part of BBK Electronics Corporation along with Vivo, Realme, and OnePlus. Oppo's sales went by 80% at 21,524.6 crores in 2018 to 2019. The sixth one is Vivo. Vivo Communication Technology is a Chinese technology company owned by BBK Electronics that designs and manufactures smartphones and smart accessories in China, software and online services. BBK Electronics also owns Oppo, Realme, and OnePlus. Vivo entered the telecommunication and consumer electronics industry with landline phones and wireless phones from 2011. Vivo started its smartphone business. In 2015, it became one of the top 10 mobile phone brands with a 2.7% share that gradually increased. Popular Vivo mobile phone and smartphone models are Vivo Z1X, Vivo V17 Pro, Vivo S1 Pro, Vivo V17, Vivo Z1 Pro, Vivo S1, Vivo U20, Vivo V15, Vivo U10, and Vivo Y11 2019. Presently, the company holds 6th ranking in the top 10 best mobile phone brands in the world with a 7.2% market share and sales of 103 million units. The seventh one is Motorola. Motorola Inclusive was an American multinational telecommunications company founded in 1928. After having lost $4.3 billion from 2007 to 2009, the company was divided into two independent public companies, Motorola Mobility and Motorola Solutions in 2011. Popular Motorola mobile phone and smartphone models are Motorola Razr, Metax, Moto Z4, Motorola One Zoom, Motorola One Macro, Moto G8 Plus, Motorola One Action, Moto Z3, Motorola One Vision, Moto G7, Moto Z2 First, Moto G7 Plus, and Moto G7 Power. At present, the company holds 7th ranking in the top 10 best mobile phone brands in the world. Despite the division in the company and then the acquisition by Lenovo, Motorola's annual sales are more than 36 million units. The 8th is Lenovo. Lenovo Group Limited, often shortened to Lenovo, is a Chinese multinational company. The company manufactures and sells personal computers, tablets, smartphones, servers, electronic storage devices, etc. Popular Lenovo mobile phone and smartphone models are Lenovo Z2 Plus, Lenovo P2, Lenovo K6 Power, Lenovo Vive K5 Note, Lenovo Vive K5, Lenovo A5, Lenovo Z5, Lenovo Z5 Pro, Lenovo Z5 Pro GT, and Lenovo Z5S. Lenovo couldn't maintain its position in the smartphone market, and currently the company holds 8th ranked in the top 10 best mobile phone brands in the world. Despite the increase of units sold by Lenovo, it lost its global participation. At the 9th position, LG. LG Corporation, formerly Lockheed Goldstar, is a South Korean multinational company. It is the fourth largest cable in South Korea. The company associates the letter LG with the company's tagline "Life's Good." LG makes electronics, chemicals, and telecom products. The company is known for its flagship G series of smartphones and a wide range of products including smart TVs. Popular LG mobile phone and smartphone models are LG W10 Alpha, LG K41s, LG K51s, LG K61, LG V502, ThinQ 5G, LG 8X, ThinQ, LG Q70, LG Stylo 5, LG W10, LG G7 Plus, ThinQ, LG B30 Plus, and many more. At present, the company holds ranked 9th among the top 10 mobile phone brands in the world, and it didn't achieve excellent performance in many countries. LG's smartphone business recorded revenues of $1.12 billion in Q4 2019. And at the last, Nokia. Nokia Corporation is a Finnish multinational telecommunication, information technology, and consumer electronics company. Long ago, it was the foremost mobile brand, but over the years, it lost market shares, especially with the rise of smartphones. The popular Nokia mobile phone and smartphone brands are Nokia 2.3, Nokia 110, Nokia 6.2, Nokia 220, 4G, Nokia 2.2, Nokia 4.2, Nokia 3.2, Nokia 9 PureView, Nokia 8.1, and many more. Currently, the company holds 10th ranking among the top 10 best mobile phone brands. Its annual sales are 17.5 million smartphones, which makes it one of the top 10 brands. So, these are the top 10 mobile brands of the world 2020. So, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel to get notified when I upload the new videos. Thank you.